See for the main run, darling. We need just one more.
I hate waiting. Let me go with you guys, ABC.
Oh, sweetie. I don't think so. We're looking for fabulous players. And you, well, you're not exactly giving main character energy, honey.
I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you.
You better let him go, or he'll just annoy us the entire time. He's terrible, so he'll probably get knocked out quickly.
Ugh, fine.
I hate elevators.
We get it, babe. You hate everything. Now let's go before you start hating on my outfit too.
1 minute later.
Oh my gosh, it's a twisted Boxton. Shrimpo totally gonna get eliminated. Like, yes.